Hey everybody, it's Court from Cody Media. I want to say congratulations to everybody. It's so awesome to see so many restaurant owners, so many of you who are taking serious action with your marketing to take your restaurant to the next level during these crazy times. Many of you have picked up the Restaurant 365 Marketing Blueprint, where you have 365 ideas for your restaurant every single day of the year, right? Now, I've had lots of people reach out to me and say, I love these ideas, but how can I create eye-catching graphics for my restaurant in just half the time? Would you like to do that? Would you be interested? Well, I've put together something that I think would be awesome and very helpful to you to take things to the next level. And that is a restaurant graphics blueprint. And in this, we have customizable social media graphics for your restaurant that you can use for holidays, for events, for specials all year long. It includes all major holidays. We have over 40 of them. And so I'm going to give you a preview right here. So for example, here is Valentine's Day. Okay, so if you see Valentine's Day, we have more Valentine's Day, Super Bowl, St. Patty's Day. It goes on and on. We have over 40 of them. Now, this is in canva.com. Canva is free. It is so easy. It's kind of like Photoshop for dummies. You do not need to be a social media or a graphic designer to know how to do this. So let me show you how easy it is to do. So all you have to do is, let's say we click on that and you have a different color. We just have to click up here on the color and we can change it and you're done. You can change out these photos. You can change out the words. It is customizable for your restaurant. So this blueprint includes all major holidays. We have 40 of them. And also, to help you take things to the next level, I have a Canva Mini-Course. And that's going to help you learn how to do all these things that I'm showing you in here and more, so you can take these graphics and change them up and make them yours for your restaurant. And as a bonus, I also have 10 bonus graphics that you can turn into customer reviews or like your daily specials. A lot of times the restaurants we work with, we go and get like Facebook reviews or Google reviews, get those quotes, and then we turn them into graphics. Now, if you were to go out and hire somebody, a graphic designer, it would be at least $297 or more to get all these graphics. But to help you guys out, I am offering it for $47. Click below. And so if you think about it, you've got 50 graphics, the 40 graphics for the holidays, plus the 10 bonuses, plus the Canva Mini-Course where you can learn how to create these eye-catching graphics. $47, and that's less than $1 a graphic. I mean, that is a great deal. And so again, I'll just scroll through. You can change out all of these pictures. So like here's Easter. You can change these out and make them yours or leave them as they are. It is totally up to you. We have Father's Day. Father's Day, if you want, you could change this out and make it a burger, okay? And the possibilities are endless. So again, I've dropped a link below. Click on that link to learn more about how to do it. Send me a message. Happy to chat with you. But again, and I've got today only. I'm going to keep this open actually until Wednesday. So if you get in by Wednesday, you'll get this special discount, $47. So hope everybody's having an awesome day. If you have any questions, send me a message or drop a comment below. I will talk to you soon. Bye.